This will be my review for my trades from April 3rd, 2017. First up, I have VIPS, VIP Shops Holdings. Ended up buying the high of the morning here. Took my stop. Just had to move on. I did not watch it later in the day to take this entry. Next up, I've got some of my winning trades. CTRP gapped up in the morning. I was not really interested in chasing it after the morning open gap up, so I waited a little bit, came back, tested my moving average. Once it broke back over this first 5-minute range, I decided to go ahead and give it a shot. Had a nice risk reward area right there. Ran up. So I knew I was going to have resistance around this area here, so once it broke above there, I had my stop just below there. Ended up taking me out. Didn't really go much higher for the day. Good trade there. Xlnx, Xlnx. This was a fast trade this morning. Jumped in just over this open here. Had my stop down here. Had to be real quick on this one. Actually got stopped out on the 1 minute right here once it rolled over. Wasn't too sure about what this stop was going to do. Plus I had the 8 EMA right here, so I was watching it extra close. Ended up being a small win. Risk reward wasn't there for me, but ended up being a winner. Next I have the order trades that did not trigger. COP, ConocoPhillips, did not work out. Opened up, came straight down, never really had a chance. Next was Esrx. Did open up a little bit higher. I didn't like the opening price action that I saw, so I waited. Didn't really see anything after the open. This quick run up here had me a little bit interested, but I wasn't liking the sellers right here were holding down at 66.10, so I just decided, it's not a good chance for me. Next, KMX, CarMax. One of those gap down ones you really don't do much with. Once they gap down, pretty much off the list for the day. And that's it. I had 2 winners, 1 loser, and 3 orders that did not trigger today.